Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. So I went through and trying out, this is the spot on the board, which is the what's it called? It's called the RFSM. As you can tell, all I have is digital oscilloscopes. I don't have an old phosphorus scope, which is why it looks like this. But this kind of confirms one thing I was suspicious of when I adjust. This is like one of the phase loop locks for this, and that actually makes some difference to the pattern. And this is the tracking offset. The tracking offset definitely, you can see it kind of freaked out there. That's for the tracking, because it splits the beam. That's what it does, the track. But the tracking scale, I mean, I'm going from stop to stop on there with really there's no difference in amplitude at all. So I'm a little this kind of confirms what I was seeing before, and why I'm still really suspicious of the laser on here is the that tracking scale. This is so with any voltage, with any amplifier, you have a scale on offset, and the scale, this doesn't seem to make any difference. This guy can almost get to work. If anything, this one's getting a little worse, even though I'm looking at it. But anyway, yeah, it kind of confirms this. Even when I'm messing with the scale, doesn't really seem to make any difference to it. So something's going on. I'll try this again once I have a replacement laser, but I'm really suspicious of the laser. See, that's it sending the controls the stepper, the servo motor to spin it up, and it just looks like the tracking system isn't working at all on this one. So, meh. I'll put it aside for now. Try with a new laser, because I've had no luck this way. Even with the scope hooked up, it's just not doing much. Alright, that's a quick one for tonight. Thanks for watching.